Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 1, Lesson 6. Last time we met action verbs, the ones that show something being done. Today we meet their quieter cousin, the linking verb. Now meet the verb's quieter cousin, the linking verb. Instead of showing action, a linking verb simply joins the subject to a word that renames it or describes it. The most common linking verbs are the forms of be. Am, is, are, was, were, has been, and will be. Watch how they work. Gerald is a pilot. The word is links Gerald to pilot, telling us Gerald equals a pilot. Or take this one. The soup was delicious. Here was links the soup to delicious, describing what the soup is like. There's no action at all, just a quiet bridge from the subject to a word about it. Here's the clearest way to picture it. A linking verb works just like an equal sign. Whatever sits before the verb equals whatever sits after it. And that word after the verb does one of two jobs. Sometimes it renames the subject with a noun. Gerald equals pilot, since pilot is just another name for Gerald. Other times it describes the subject with an adjective. Soup equals delicious, since delicious tells us about the soup. Either way, the linking verb is simply the equal sign, connecting the subject to a word about itself. Now, the be verbs aren't the only linking verbs out there. A whole handful of others can link too. Appear, become, feel, grow, look, remain, seem, smell, sound, and taste. Notice that many of these involve a sense or a state, how something feels, looks, or sounds. For instance, your speech sounds great. Sounds isn't an action here. It links your speech to great, telling us your speech is great. So these sensory verbs very often act as linking verbs, joining the subject to a description. But here's the catch, and it's a great one. The very same verb can be linking in one sentence and action in another. So use the be test. Swap the verb for is. If the sentence still makes sense, it's linking. Watch. The bread smells wonderful. Swap in is. The bread is wonderful. That makes perfect sense, so smells is linking here. But now, the dog smells the bread. Swap in is, the dog is the bread. That's nonsense. The dog is sniffing it, not equal to it. So here, smells is an action verb. The rule is simple. Swap in is. If it works, linking. If it breaks, action. Here's one big reason linking verbs matter on the test. Because a linking verb connects back to the subject, the word after it describes that subject. And you describe a noun with an adjective, never an adverb. So you say, I feel bad, not I feel badly. Bad describes you, the subject. Same idea with the soup tastes good, not tastes well, since good describes the soup. After an action verb, you'd use an adverb. She sang badly. But after a linking verb, always reach for the adjective. It's a classic SAT trap. Let's put it to work. Akira and Ramon are two of the nicest people I know. First, find the verb, are, a form of be. Now run the test. Well, are already is a be verb, and Akira and Ramon are people. That makes perfect sense. So are is a linking verb, connecting the subjects to people, the noun that renames them. A linking verb, working as the equal sign. Done. Let's practice. The verb is shown in capitals. Decide whether it's a linking verb, joining the subject to a word about it, or an action verb. Try the be test and pause before I answer. Frida is a lucky person. Is joins Frida to person. Frida equals a person. That's a be verb doing pure linking, so the answer is linking. Connie walks to the grocery store with Miki. Try the be test. Connie is to the store? No, that's nonsense. Walks shows real movement, so the answer is action. My neighbors appear regularly on local television. Careful, appear can be a linking verb, but here it means show up, which is a real action. My neighbors are on television describes where, not what they equal, so the answer is action. 3 more. Some verbs can go either way, so always run the be test. Pause and decide before I reveal each answer. This turkey tastes good with cranberry sauce. Swap in is. The turkey is good. That works perfectly. Tastes is linking the turkey to good, so the answer is linking. The old oak tree grew on the wide hillside. Try is. The tree is on the hillside. But grew here means it increased in size over time. That's a real action. So the answer is action. Marisol and Anna take trigonometry in summer school. Swap in is they are trigonometry? Nonsense. Take is something they do. So the answer is action. Let's bring it together. A linking verb doesn't show action. It joins the subject to a word that renames or describes it, working just like an equals sign. The be verbs are the most common, but sense and state verbs, seem, become, feel, smell, sound, taste, can link too. And because many verbs can go either way, always use the be test. Swap in is, and if the sentence still makes sense, it's linking. If it breaks, it's action. Great work. In Lesson 7, we'll see how verbs team up into verb phrases.